The purpose of this playlist is to provide information to help you navigate the complexities of FMLA and ADA in the workplace. It's not uncommon in today's workplace for employees to take FMLA leave or to request a workplace accommodation. And oftentimes, when they do this, they experience retaliation, and they're not aware that it's really happening until it's too late. So after consulting with so many employees, I recognize there's a huge gap between the way the FMLA and the ADA laws are written, the way these laws are practiced in corporations and workspaces, and the way employees understand how they work. So the purpose of this playlist is to help employees navigate these complexities. I hope you will join me while I demystify the FMLA and ADA regulations. And don't forget to subscribe so you can get regular updates, as these will be vital if you find yourself in a position where you need to take FMLA or ask for an ADA accommodation.